Thogora wa mabuku ukoretwo ari murigo na muhinga munene kuri arutwo kwamukira mathomo makiri ihinda riri ria mutaratara mweru wa githomo wa CBC. Na njira ya kunyihia thogora wa mabuku, kambuni ya LOHO Learning ni thundurite mutaratara mweru wa mabuku ma NENDA-INI.
So the reason why it will focus on e-books, because out of tuition the second big cost to parents ni cost ya vitabu. So for now, LOHO Learning ina bring your cost down by almost 95% savings.
James Onganga murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino oigite manyitanagira na thukuru guothe bururi-ini makirire cire na kompyuta na kuhotithia arutwo kwamukira makiria ma mabuku igana rimwe.
We charge 500 shillings per year for over 150 books. Hizi vitabu zinaitwa e-books. Kwa hivyo ziko digital, vitabu za kidigitali, ziko interactive, ziko na auto-marked assessments, na pia tuko na games ambazo tumeweka ndani hizo vitabu.
Niguo kwamukagira motungata maya muciari arabataro kurihaga ciringi 500 oro mwaka.
We have audiobooks, and most importantly we have assistive features. Kwa hivyo the learners that have hearing impairment, tumefanya Kenya Sign Language katika hizo vitabu kuhakikisha kwamba the learners that have hearing impairment can also fulfill foundational literacy.
LOHO Learning ni mwe ya kambuni 12 iria ciamukirite uteithio wa ciringi milioni 183 kuma kuri kambuni cia iHub na Mastercard Foundation kioneki-ini gia guthundura njira cia kuhuthia mathomo kugerera technology.
We have Funky Science, and Funky Science is basically focused on making science education come alive. And so we know that STEM is very important and it's the bedrock of innovation. And if we're going to see a lot more innovation across our society and across our community in Kenya, it means that we need to ensure that the type of STEM education that the young learners are receiving is interactive, is engaging, and helps them have a deep understanding of science concepts and the ability to leverage that to solve problems.
Nisimadu afitha kuma iHub oigite ona mathomo ma gisayansi, mathabu na engineering ne mahuthitio undu uria urateithiriria arutwo kumayukia.
So Funky Science has science kits, experiments that kids can do with their parents at home, in school, with videos, and just making it come alive and help them understand, all of this in depth.
Ne kugacira gwa technology cia githomo makiria ma arutwo 32,000 ni mateithikite.
Believe we can improve access to relevant and quality education by using technology as an enabler. And in that vein, what we want to see is we want to foster locally developed edtech solutions that can enable learners to not only access education but improve their skills using this technology.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wajiko.